Our cheap price solid colors have two surfaces: matte textured effect, high glossy effect. Their thickness is different. Matte thickness, high glossy thickness. Our wallpaper is waterproof, oil-proof, and easily clean. Matte wallpaper is textured with tick marks on the back. Water glue is healthy and sticky. High glossy surface is shining, with tick marks on the back. High glossy is also metallic material back, with water glue. If you have dirty old furniture at home, our wallpaper must be your best choice. All you need is wallpaper, knife and a board. Our wallpaper installation quite easy. Peel off the part back paper and stick it on the furniture. Use the board to paste it little by little. During the pasting, you can peel the back paper at the same time. This can reduce the bubble situations. Cut the extra part after pasting. Make a small cut, then squeeze the air out if you met bubbles. As you can see, after the renovation, the table become clean and beautiful. Adhesive wallpapers make your life better. Come and get our wallpapers.